Number 1. Plato believes that the self is synonymous with the soul. 2. Socrates' body imperfect and permanent, soul perfect and permanent. 3. Aristotle, the vegetable soul includes the physical body than can. 4. St. Augustine described the human kid is created in the image of the likeness of God. René Descartes is the father of modern and philosophy. John Locke, the human mind of birth and tabula rasa and blank slate. 7. David Hume, they will find that there are only distinct and endless impression. And 8. Sigmund Freud, the conscious self is governed by the reality principle. 9. Gilbert Wright believes that the self is best understood as a pattern of behavior. 10. Paul Churchland, also a person has is the brain. Number 11. Maurice Mario the self is embodied and subjectivity. 12. Albert Bandura theory of self-efficacy. 13. William James concept of self. 14. David Lester multiple versus unified self. 15. David Winnicott true versus take self. 16. Julian Rotter expectancy theory. 17. Tim Berners-Lee in an English engineer of the computer scientist. Cyberspace refers to the virtual computer in the world and more physical one of the electronic medium. 19. Digital literacy means having the skill you need to live. Online disinhibition is the lack is the lack of restraint one feels when communicating online in computer of the communication. Number 21. External beauty refers the physical character of a person. Self is the sense of person identity of who we are individual. Social self marks who are in specific social institution. Number 34. Spirit self, we are our core including our personality, values and conscience. 25. Multiple self refers to the different ways. Unified self means referring to the composite side. Short term, within a week or span or several. Long term, take years. 40. So smart, goal specific, measurable, achievable, and reality timely. 41. Mastery experience, so first hand or direct. Mindset defined as the implicit theories that individual hold regularly. Fixed mindset. People believe that basic qualities such as intelligence and talents and fixed traits. Growth mindset. People believe that a talent and intelligence develop through learning, effort, training, and practice. Clarify. Simple means being clear and not vague. Challenge means the goals must trigger the knowledge, skill, and abilities. Commitment affirms a dedication toward the attainment of the set goals. Feedback serve as the mechanism to ensure that everyone thus express people to the extra mile and work hard. Success is the above and achieving something as a product of one intelligence.